Hello, Business Essentials. Today we're going to talk about how to make your Monopoly game. So up to this point, you have learned a little bit about finances and accounting with the assistance of Monopoly. And today you're going to start building your own Monopoly exercise so you can play the game and record transactions that occur. To do that, I'm going to have you enlist the assistance of Google Presentation as well as 3 to 4 others of your choice. So 3 or 4 others can help you build this exercise. And what this thing needs to be able to do, it needs to be a functional Monopoly game that you can play. You will also need to determine how you can move as far as spaces go. I'm going to leave this up to you. You can bring your own dice if you like. That's probably the most simple way. You could draw cards, and each card could represent you could shuffle them, and each card could represent an amount of moves that you make. And there's many other ways that you could do this. I'm going to leave it up to you guys to determine that. I also need you to figure out how you're going to make a character for yourself to move on this board, and also how you're going to make the cards that people will collect as you buy and sell property. You'll also need chance cards, and you'll also need community chest cards. So all these things are items that you will need to be able to play your game successfully. I highly encourage you to use your imagination and make those cards accessible in some way, shape, or form. I'm going to leave that up to you. This is a part of your entrepreneurial ability to come up with how you're going to have those. As far as the money goes, you don't need to create any money. I'm going to save you that headache. Maybe for an entrepreneurship someday. In this case, we're just going to use our spreadsheets to record and our transactions that occur in Monopoly. So don't worry about making any money at this time. We'll just use that form to keep track of how much you're making. Alright? So again, to reiterate, your main objective here is to recreate the game of Monopoly using Google Slides and playing it with 3 or 4 of your friends. The game should not technically be played probably until Friday and or Monday. It should take you a good 2 days to make this if you make it right. You must include a theme as well. My theme is going to be Boston, Massachusetts, and I'm going to use the things that I see while I'm in Boston to build mine, and I'll show you my progress as we go. So I hope you can find your own example. Please don't copy mine. I want unique things. Your team, your group of people can come up with your own, and we'll see what you come up with from there. On another note, you'll notice my board has a lot of motivational things to convince you to do your work. I will be checking to see if you complete your exercises, and if you have completed your exercises, you will not get more time. You need to complete your stuff while you're in class now. If you don't understand something, post a question to the community, either through a video that you video yourself asking the question, or just post it generally. Put it in Chapter 17 and see if maybe somebody else in the class can help you figure out what the answer is. Don't limit yourself to your own imagination if you don't have enough. It's not enough to just sit there and stare at the computer or resort to playing games on your phone. That does not work. That will get you a failing grade. Please make sure you are focused on the assignment at hand. It shouldn't be that difficult, and in fact, it should be a lot of fun. It could be a lot harder. I could just give you a bunch of worksheets. I choose not to. So please take advantage of this opportunity, make the most of it, and I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with. Please put it in someone's folder, and also share the link to the Chapter 17 community, the Chapter 17 side tab in your community. I'll make sure both 6th and 5th hour have this, because I want to be able to keep track of your progress as you go, and I want to go to it in one place. I don't want to have to search in each one of your folders to find out where it's at. So someone in your group, post the link that you're sharing to each other to the community. Alright, if you're not sure how to post a link to the community, ask someone who knows. We've done this a million times. You should know by now, but if you don't, ask somebody who knows. Alright, good luck. I hope you enjoy this activity, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow when I post my next video. Alright, have a good day.